Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. This is my video number 17 and chapter number 3, File Management Organization of Data. So please take out your computer book and open the page number 15. This is your chapter number 3. In this chapter, we will cover these topics: file management, understanding disks and drives, viewing files and folders, transferring data from one drive device to another, working with multiple files, searching files and folders, various file formats. So let's start the first topic, that is a file management. Now the term is management. What do you mean by management? Management means to organize something in a proper order. So the file management means you will organize your files and folder. So file management helps us to organize and keep track of our files and folders in the computer. Now the next term is files and folders. So all the work that we do in a computer is stored in the form of file. And every file has its own unique name, that is a different name. Next term is folder. Folder is a location for organizing your files. And a folder can also have its unique name. Next term is subfolder. Some folders contain additional folders which we call subfolders. So in general we can say that there is a one big box, we call it as a folder. Now next is this one, we call it as a subfolder, and these are files. So this is a folder, these are subfolders, and these are files. So the first is file management. File management will manage your files and folders in your computer. So it will help us to organize and keep track of our files and folders in the computer. Next term is file. Files means each and every work that you do on a computer is stored in the form of file. Next is folder. Folder is a location for organizing your files. Folder is a location for organizing your files. The next term is subfolder. So subfolder means can contain additional folders which we call subfolders. So first definition is file management, second files, third folder, and fourth one is subfolder. And if we want to click any file and folder, then just double click on the file and folder icon to open it. Now the next topic is understanding disk and drive. So first term is non-removable disk, means you cannot just put it out of the computer by pressing any button. For example, hard disk. Hard disk, we call it as a non-removable disk because we are not able to just put it out of the computer by pressing any button. Next is removable media. Removable media means, like all other disks are called removable media because we can pop them in and out of the computer quite easily. For example, pen drive, CDs, DVDs are the example of removable media. Now, hard disk further divided into several logical drives like A drive, C drive, D drive. First letter, after that colon. Then again letter, then colon. Then again letter and colon. So first definition is file management, then files, then folder, then subfolder, then non-removable disk, next removable media, and next hard disk can divide into several logical drives, that is A drive, C drive, D drive, that is first letter after then a colon. Now next term is path. So path is the route the user must follow to reach folder or file from the drives. A path always starts with the drive letter, that is a C colon. Drive letter means C, then a colon. And this is the path of the file that start calculator. Now make a difference between folders, subfolders and files. Now see, on the desktop, this is a folder, that is a school online class. This is a folder. If I want to open this folder, then just double click on it, that is press 2 times quickly. Yes. Now these all are the files. This one, that is a one folder, and these all are the files, but these all are the subfolders. These all are the subfolders because this is the main folder, that is the school online class. This is the main folder. After that, these all are the files and these are the subfolders. If I want to open it, then again double click on it. Now these all are the files in a subfolder. Now next term is path. So path is the route the user must follow to reach folder or file from the drives. Now you can see this is a folder of Radhika. You will right click on it and last you will click on properties and you can see location. Now here location is C drive, users, admin, desktop. This is the path of a particular file and the file name is Radhika. Now I will close it. You can again see the path, that is a C drive, users, admin and desktop. Now I close it. This is my computer. Double click on it, C drive. After that, user, admin, desktop. Now this is my file Radhika. This is the path, that is a proper route to reach particular folder and file from the drive. Now next topic in your book is viewing files and folders. So we can view the files you create as well as those you download and copy to your computer that are stored in your hard drive. So there are the 4 main folders in Windows 7 in which your files are saved by default. First is documents, second pictures, third music and fourth videos. So whenever you create and save a document file, it gets stored in document folders only. Second, whenever you save any picture from digital camera or scanner or internet, it gets stored in pictures folder. Whenever you download any music file, it gets stored in music folder by default, stored in music folder. And whenever you download any video file, it gets stored in videos folder. So basically 4 main folders in Windows 7, that is the documents, pictures, music and videos. In your computer, you can see these 4 folders very easily. For that, you have to double click on computer icon. After that, towards the left side, you can see document, music, pictures and videos. These are the 4 main folders. One more thing, whenever you download any file from internet, it gets stored in download folder. This is your download folder. These all are the main 4 folders: document, music, picture and videos, and this is your downloads folder. Whenever you download any file from internet, it gets stored in downloads folder. If you click on documents, double click on it, these all are the documents library, then music, then pictures, just double click on it, and last is videos. Rest part of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you.